much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between a lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the sign. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, now all I ever do is bring you down. Who would be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I bound, I'm bound to lose. Too much love will kill you, just as sure it's not at all. It's drained the power that's in you, make you plead and scream and crawl, and the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of a crime. Too much love will kill you every time.